Good morning, you guys. How are you doing this morning? Well, it's morning for me. I'm doing this pour this morning. I'm going to do this pour, and today I have a canvas. So I am doing it on a canvas today, and I'm doing this pour in respect to a fallen family member. So I'm going to try to do a little bright. I'm going to try to mix it up with a little dark and try to bring it to try to meet in the middle. Maybe we can get like an in-between. So I told you I was going to use this color that I mixed up from the last video. And I'm not too sure about using that color today, but we're going to give it a try, okay? Looks like part of my canvas is not in the camera, so let me try to adjust it. Okay, I'm back. Now we're cooking, so let's get started. I wasn't sure on the orientation I wanted to do as far as the colors, but I'm going to start with the 24 karat gold Deco Art. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, start there, because what I'm going to try to do is blow from the right and blow from the left. We'll see whether this works out, but that's what I'm going to try to do. And then this one right here is Arteza Paynes Gray. It's a very dark color, so try not to use too much of it. But I want to have enough paint. And then this one is that sterling silver, Deco Art Metallic Sterling Silver. And this one is the Deco Art Berry. I mixed it up too thick, so I had to go back and put it in a cup to try to get it a little thinner. Okay, and then this is my color that I mixed up, and it's just a 24 karat gold mixed with that the green. I will list it in a video. I can't recall offhand the exact name of the color, and I should have had that, but I mixed it up. So the next one that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the Amsterdam Titanium White. Let's see, about a little bit of Cell Activator. Ooh, I don't know. That wasn't mixed well. I didn't shake it up before doing it. I don't want to do too much because I don't know how it's going to react with all these metallics. We shall see. If it does not come out the way I want it to come out, I'll just redo it again. Redo it over. I'm gonna, let's see, try it on low. I don't think that's gonna work, but I'll give it a try. Nope, changed my mind because I don't want it to mess up what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna do it the normal way that I do it. didn't move as much as I wanted it to, but the colors are beautiful. I know that some of my paints are a little thicker, I think, than the other ones. I did a little test on it, and I know some are a little thicker, but that is just beautiful. I just wish it was bigger, so that it could spread more on the canvas. And I should have flooded the canvas some to make sure that it spread it, but I didn't because I didn't want the white to dull out the colors. You know, I don't know what I'm going to get if I redo it, but I might have to. So, what I'm going to try to do is try it over. The colors are magnificent. I really want you to see the colors first before I redo it, because I want it to spread out more on the canvas. So I am going to redo it, but it is beautiful as far as the colors is beautiful. Let me bring you down so you can see. Okay, so take a look, you guys. I'm excited because the colors are just beautiful. I didn't think that this mixture was going to be nice because of the color, some of the colors, but I just love it. I just want it bigger. You know, I want it to spread more on the canvas, but it is stunning. The colors are just magnificent. Look at that. Okay, wish me luck. I'm going to try to redo it, and we'll see what we get. Okay, let's give it another go. So, let's just start back over. Gonna do the gold. Paynes gray. Not as much Paynes gray. It's dark. This time, I'm going to flood the canvas. See if it'll move a little bit more. That berry is pretty too. It's like a pretty pink. And you know what I forgot, you guys, the last time before I even blow it out that I just thought about? I didn't torch the bubbles. Wow. Such an amateur move. I wasn't even thinking. I was so excited to see what it was going to come out like that I didn't. And I'm just going overboard here, you guys, because I want to see whether it's going to spread. That I didn't even torch those bubbles. Hopefully that works. It may not, but at least I gave it a try. Now let's torch the bubbles this time. Okay, it didn't work exactly the way that I wanted it to work, but the colors are just wonderful. I'm going to try to blow on it a little bit. I know that that paint, the consistency of the paint is too thick. I do know that. That's why it's not moving as much. That 24 karat gold in the mixture that I did, I think it is just a little too thick. And I tried to fix it before I started, but evidently it didn't work. So let's see. I don't know if it'll move any. And that's the part that's just a little bumbly right there. It didn't move as much, but it is beautiful with these colors. And it's bright and dark. It has a darkness to it, but it still has a hint of brightness to it. Okay, here it is, you guys. I couldn't get it to go full length of the canvas like I wanted it to. But I do like the spread of this better than what I originally started out with, because it did move some. The first one didn't move at all, seemed like. It just barely moved because I didn't flood the canvas. And you know what this reminds me of? Take a look at it. This reminds me of the masquerade ball mask. If you look at it, looks like these are two of the holes for the eyes. And look at the sides there. Look at the edges. Doesn't it kind of look like a masquerade mask? It does to me. It's wonderful. It's quite beautiful. Look here at the shimmer and shine and cells. And that new color that I mixed up, I need to do it with something lighter so I can really see what that color looks like. But as you can see here, you can see that? That's that color mixed in there. That's it mixed in there, mixed with that green right here. Overall, I think it turned out lovely. I'm happy with it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the items that I do on my videos, you can go to my Etsy channel. And it is at etsy.com/shop/creativedesignsbyyr.com. If you're not for sure, I do always list it in the description up under the video. So if you look at the description under the video, it has all of that information, my email, my Etsy, all of that information on there for you. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.